Hi guys, in today's video it will be kind of like a ranking of all tier 5s and like the heroes, I guess. Alright, so, this is like, alright, I'll just put in D. It's not even that good. Elite Defender goes like B. It's really quite good. Attack Zone, I'd say it's worse. I'd say it's in B. Spirit of a Forest, well that goes like high A. It's like really good for defense. The biggest balloon, say probably C. This I'll put with a high B. Yeah. So I'll put that in very high B as well. That, you can go and see. Now this was really good, but it got nerfed, so like, I'll just probably put it. Prince of Darkness is like OP. Okay, A. This, it kind of depends, like, how many favorite trades you have, so, I'll put it probably B. I only use Monkey Club mods, but Blood what? Yeah, I'll put in like C, I don't know. All the boomerang ones is going to be. Let's be honest. It's alright, he'll go and C. C. That's easy S, bro, it's insane. Another easy S. A. So I'll probably put in B, but it's not really worth getting a T5. T4 is good enough. I don't really use that much, so I'll just put an A anyway. Actually, no, I'll put that one probably B. Yeah. D. A. S. S. Now, with the bug, S, but without it, it's kind of trash. Yeah. This just because you can get 2 of them, it's like pretty good. Monkeynopolis is kind of S. Cliffle Moab, A. Accent. Here we go. A. This thing's pretty good, but like, it's not that good. Let me say it. Oh, C. Yeah. C. Oh, that thing's kind of trash. Yeah, probably D, actually. Ultra Juggernaut's only really good in some maps. I'll just put that in D. That's like easy A. And B. C. C. B. B. That would probably go in B. B. S. C. And C here. B. And C. On sense will just be S. Yeah. MAD's actually insane against horses, I'd say S. What is Ray doing? Raydom's alright. I'm put it kind of C, to be honest. It's good early game, but late game it's really bad. I need to learn. I don't even know. Bro, where the hell did that thing go? B. This thing is like B. Huh. And arc thingy, archmage, whatever, he can go B. 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 This thing's quite good, I'll put an A. And then True Sun God's really good. I'm saying that's S. Actually, I'll probably put that. Right, this thing is really B. Yeah, I'd say B. And then this Megalodon thing before the nerf was really good, but no. Actually, no, I'm saying it's above. Heroes. I don't even have all the heroes, so like, I don't know, it still is. I can't really tell. But like, I have Sorter. I got it sorted today. Sorter's pretty crack-a-lacking. I'd say S. Benjamin's also quite good, but not best. I'd say A. Probably top A. Geraldo, whatever. He's also just S, just good potential. Churchill, I've never played with Churchill, so don't really ask me. I'd say probably B. This one, I've never even used this one, so I don't know. The ones I haven't ever used, I'll probably just put to C. I haven't used Azili, but I know its ability is really good. So I'd say probably S. Gwendolyn's just gonna go F. Gwendolyn's trash. Owen can go A tier. Pat Fossey's good. I'd say Pat Fossey. C is on A. Adora. Now, Adora is like the best, like, in here with transformation. So I'm saying, like, out there. Sai's good, but I've never used it, so. Whatever the hell this is, it's gonna go on C. Whatever the hell this is, it's gonna go on C. And Quincy's alright. Quincy's alright. Yeah, that seems like an alright tier list. Anyway, I'll see you guys next